Beneteau Flyer, set. Sundeck pilot version, follow us for the test, don't miss it. Let's start with some technical features of the boat. We have a length of just under 7 meters and a width of 2.45 meters. So the boat is very trailer friendly. In short, it can be easily transported on a trailer right behind your car when you decide to go on vacation. Capacity for people, C8, D9. Which means that depending on the weather and sea conditions, it can carry 8 or 9 people. 200 horsepower, the maximum power applicable to make this boat truly super sporty. And what else could we choose but to install a fantastic 200 horsepower 6-cylinder engine? Now a 200 horsepower Honda is installed? Indeed. We have installed the original Honda instrumentation on the dashboard to monitor the engine. There is plenty of space to fit any chart plotter from 9 to 12 inches. In fact, because the size is available, a 9-inch support is recommended as it is the most natural size for this type of dashboard. The control panel with LEDs. To avoid forgetting whether an accessory is on or off. Everything you might need on the console, including the compass to never lose your way. They are right here conveniently, in front of the captain. Towards pop, they bring the engine closer. There is this sunbathing area, which at the moment is an excellent double sunbed or a 1.5. If we really want to nitpick everything, it's very comfortable for people to relax and sunbathe, but while sailing. Obviously, I can also, and it is advisable to do so, raise the backrest to have a comfortable seat while sailing, allowing 4 people to sit comfortably. Often at the fair, I'm asked what these hatches are for. They are simply, or rather ingenious seating places, 2 seats. Very comfortable. If you consider that we have this bench in front of me, we have another one at the stern. If this is not enough for you, there's also the seat for the captain and the co-pilot. They are swiveling here in the center. We can place a very comfortable table that comes with this boat for maximum conviviality to truly enjoy the boat a lot. Maybe, who knows, you could sit down for a game of cards. Thanks also to the sunshade awning, which completely covers this area and relaxes everyone. Beside the boat's control station, so the pilot, steering wheel, remote control, we have access to directly reach the bow sunbathing area. The access is very, very wide. I find it both on the left and on the right, so it goes port and starboard without issues. I can decide to board in total safety. In fact, I am inside the boat with thanks. With protective handrails, the console, and all the safety features. I was saying that they can be on a boat as beautiful and elegant as this one. The Sundeck in front, as you see, the one facing forward, the bow one, is above the cabin because we also have a cabin. On this Sundeck, it occupies the full width of the boat. So it is really spacious and comfortable because the bow of the boat is very, very large and comfortable. But besides the length, we have the width, as I was telling you, and the comfort. Look at how much space, a triple size really. I can even rest my head, Faye. Out of this world. As I was telling you, it's a Sunday, so we have a cabin. I open the door right here next to the console, go down to the cabins, into the cabin, and let's take a look. This is the cabin that can be equipped, of course, with all the kitchenware to be able to spend a weekend in total serenity and beauty while being at sea. At the moment, it's an accessory. We haven't taken it for now because some clients use this area only as a storage space to place things. And often we are told that the cushions are just a hindrance for them. So the decision truly belongs to the final customer, based on how they want to use the boat. In fact, it is possible to install a toilet inside this cabin as well, either chemical or marine. Thus, fully equipping it to really spend a long vacation or several weekends at sea. Okay, enough, but enough talking about the boat. I'm tired and also warmed up. Mast disconnect, then safety cable, always tied to the wrist, neutral, engage the gear. Trim all the way down, hit the gas, and let's have some fun. Follow us. A very important thing is that some or many do not take into account the minimum planing speed, the cruising speed. In this case, they correspond. Because with few engine revolutions, I can cover many miles with little stress. At this moment, we are cruising at 3,000 RPM. And we are doing 14.5 knots. Not bad, and we cover many miles, but let's also see how fast we want to go on the water by flooring the gas. Hold on tight. Trim the engine well. Oh my. It's so smooth, wow. It's really very, very smooth and comfortable. I'm not saying it feels like we're standing still, but excellent. .38 knots at 5,900 RPM. Not bad at all. Let's also see how many minutes, just kidding, seconds, it takes us to get fully on plane. We're in neutral. We engage the gear at minimum. 3, 2, 1, go. 1.2, 3 seconds. We're already out of the water. Fantastic. I hope that you enjoyed yourself this time as well, and that you liked the video we made about this Beneteau Flyer 7 Sundeck. Let's not forget all the technical information I mentioned during the test, during the video. No, you can find it in the drop down of this video itself, along with all our contact details to get in touch with us. Sorry for the roundabout way and repetition, but through these contacts, I'll say it once more. Email, physical address, phone number, you can schedule an appointment and see with your own eyes and get hands-on with this beautiful boat ready for delivery. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, all you have to do is subscribe right here on this channel. From a lovely spring day, perhaps a bit cloudy, there's nothing left for me to say but fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.